coffee every day. I drink coffee in the morning, warm and simple, soft and slow. Coffee helps me start my day. I make coffee at my home. I smell coffee in the air. One small cup is all I need. Coffee shows it really cares.
When I wake up feeling tired, coffee helps me feel awake. I sit down and take my time, small, slow sips I like to take. I like coffee very much. I drink coffee every day. I like coffee in the morning, in a calm and simple way. Hot or warm, black or light, coffee makes me feel okay. I like coffee very much. It helps me start my day.
I drink coffee before work. I drink coffee before school. I feel focused and relaxed. Coffee helps me keep my cool. I hold the cup with both my hands. I feel warm and slow inside. Coffee gives me quiet time, a peaceful morning ride. I listen to some gentle music. I enjoy the silent sound. Coffee time is just for me before people come around.
I like coffee very much. I drink coffee every day. I like coffee in the morning, in a calm and simple way. Hot or warm, black or light, coffee makes me feel okay. I like coffee very much. It helps me start my day.
I learn English while I drink, simple songs in easy words. Coffee and English together help me understand what I heard. I read a line, I hear a song, I repeat it nice and slow. Coffee keeps me comfortable while my English starts to grow.
Coffee gives me quiet focus. English helps me speak and hear. Learning slowly, feeling relaxed. Everything feels clear. No pressure, no big stress. Just learning step by step.
Coffee and English learning are habits that I kept.
I like coffee very much. I drink coffee every day. I like coffee in the morning, in a calm and simple way. Hot or warm, black or light, coffee makes me feel okay. I like coffee very much. It helps me start my day.
Sometimes I drink coffee alone, sometimes with a friend, talking slow and simple English, moments that I spend. Coffee time is peaceful, English feels the same, learning in a gentle way without worry or shame.
I like coffee every day.
I like English too.
Coffee time and English songs help me learn some